Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're staying in a Premier Inn Premier Plus room and I'm going to take you on a tour around the room showing you some of the main features and updated facilities. We're at the Bournemouth Central Premier Inn and you can quickly see where the Premier Plus rooms are on this lift guide. They have plush matching carpet in the hallway and rooms. We're staying in room 401. Your key card comes with its own little Premier Plus wallet, and the code for your free Ultimate Wi-Fi is in here too. This is our room. As you can see, everything has been newly refurbished. They are currently only available for adults and sharing a king-size bed. And from this side you can see the desk, which has a fridge and coffee maker. The TV, wardrobe and vanity area. And the bed. The room has a fridge with free still and sparkling water. The Plus rooms have an espresso coffee maker with tea and green and black chocolate. Nice comfy desk area if you had any work to do. Corner chair with footstool. The wardrobe and vanity area. We've got hangers provided. Iron and ironing board. Hairdryer. Extra pillows. And more plug sockets on the vanity unit. Hooks for your coats just inside the door. Aircon and heating. And these windows have restrictors on them so you can't open them too far. And a bed reading light. Plug sockets next to your bed and lights for the curtain, the headboard and the ceiling. A purple headboard light. Some lovely coordinating artwork on the wall. Bathroom with shower, towels are provided and you have upgraded shower products in here. The sink and a nice area for all your toiletries. Citrus fruit cleansing hand gel. Sage body and hair gel and white nettle conditioner. And a waterfall shower. And you can choose to reuse your towels by putting them on the handrail or have them replaced when you put them in the shower. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, then please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not watch one of my other Premier Inn videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye.